Ellen, so some kids have problems expressing themselves, and sometimes it's an expression of a problem speaking with other kids, but sometimes it's a problem with the written word. So what's the difference, and what is a written problem, a written expressive problem?
So a disorder of written expression, or sometimes we call it dysgraphia, meaning just having trouble with writing, basically. And writing involves a lot of different processes. Like you said, it involves just a motor process. And sometimes kids just have trouble with the motor aspects of writing. They have trouble with line spacing. They have trouble forming the letters on the page. But also kids have trouble too with expressing their thoughts both verbally and then on the written page, or even on the computer as now. And so what we find is that kids with a disorder of written expression also often have trouble in a lot of those different areas. They have trouble sort of organizing their thoughts. They have trouble getting it on the paper. Very often they have trouble with what we call visual spatial problems, or visual spatial functioning, meaning they have trouble even copying shapes. And so kids with a disorder of written expression need a really full evaluation in order to diagnose that and figure out where in that process they need help and where they can build on their strengths.
And Ellen's written about this and is going to help us figure out how to sort out these various components so that we can understand what's involved with a particular child that has a written expressive problem.